How to complete CIS claims for your construction business. Follow my video for more. If you haven't yet, click the bell and subscribe to be notified every time we produce our best pieces of content. So CIS reclaims can be a bit of a minefield. As a construction business owner, they can be quite complex, where you're not quite sure how they work and exactly how to get your money back. And as a business owner, we all want the money back as quickly as possible, don't we? I know I certainly do. So in this video, I'll talk about exactly what you need to consider when doing a CIS reclaim, why they're important, and the best way for you to complete these. Follow my video for more. CIS reclaims, what are they? This is the process that you go through to collect back money that you're owed that's been taken in advance from HM Revenue and Customs. So during the year, you may have had 20% tax deducted from your labour income. And this is a process that you will go through to reclaim back that money from HMRC and potentially offset against other taxes. As an industry, the construction industry gets slammed for the way that it keeps its paperwork. Sometimes it's true and sometimes it's not. But the better records that you have for tax that's been deducted during the year is going to help this process, as you're not having to think back, you've already got it. So when you're thinking about doing CIS reclaims at the year end and throughout the year, make sure you're keeping really good records of what's been deducted from you on a monthly basis. Making a CIS reclaim. So you will make a CIS reclaim at the end of a tax year. You will already have detailed exactly what CIS has been deducted. You should have vouchers for all of these deductions from the companies that have deducted it that will allow you to reconcile exactly on paper what's been deducted to your records that could be on Xero or QuickBooks. So you want to make sure at the end of the tax year you've got all of this in line, because what you'll be looking to do is collect every single bit of income, tax that's been deducted on your income quickly after the year end. This process is not slow. So the quicker you do it in April or May, the quicker you get your money. It really is that simple. And what we find that's really successful when we're making claims for our clients is if you send them the records in advance where they've got the supporting records, the claims get processed quicker. It really is that simple. Now, during the year, you may have had CIS deducted from your income, but you may have also paid for subcontractors where you've deducted CIS from them at the same time. It's important as part of this calculation, you've not only got all the CIS that's been deducted from your income, but also you've offset the CIS that's been deducted from your subcontractors. And what you'll look to do is claim the difference. Now, normally, if a company's got deductions and they paid subcontractors, it's still going to equate to a refund, but sometimes it doesn't. So make sure you've got a really good handle on exactly the balance that you're entitled to. Now, one great thing about this is if there is any balance left, you can offset this against your corporation tax. Woohoo! Now, how many people get to their year end and go, oh my God, I've got this much amount of corporation tax to pay. Where am I going to find the money? Or it's gone. But having the money deducted that's sitting in HMRC's bank account does a lot of construction companies good, because there are times where they'll have CIS deducted from their income, they've offset that against their subcontractors, they've paid their corporation tax and sometimes be due a refund. Now, how good a feeling is that for you? I know there's loads of our clients that like that feeling and almost enjoy having the tax being taken from up front. They may not be the best organised, but for them it just fits them. So it's not always just, are you good or are you bad with money? It's also a personal feeling as well. And that's personal to you, the business owner. This process is a lot easier the more organised you are. The quicker you get out the starting blocks after your tax year, the more organised you are, the quicker you can put this to bed and it stops lingering. Everyone hates lingering paperwork, lingering admin. They just want to get it done and on with their life. So when do you normally file for your CIS reclaim? Does it come in a decent time? Or what could you do to make it quicker? If this video spurned any questions that I can help with, please feel free to jump on a discovery call with me below. I'll aim to provide value. I'll answer your questions where I can, and I promise there'll be no pushy sales pitch.